What is up, YouTube? Y'all ready to make some chicken sausage, baby? Well, you came to the right place. Y'all don't want to miss it. There's all kind of casings you can use. I use the natural hog grade casing, size 32 to 38. And the first thing you want to do is get your casings rinsed off and soaked in water. All right, now the first thing you're going to want to do is get you a casing out of here. Sometimes they're all tangled up, so you don't want to go just ripping them apart. Get you one out of there and take your time with it. Your bowl of water, put that down up in there. Come with salt on it, so you want to get all that rinsed off. And what you want to do when you first start, like I said, you want to, there be some areas that's kind of clumped up. You just want to take your time and open them up. So find your end. Take your time with it and work with you. You work with it. Find your end, like so. What we're going to do here, from here, we're going to run some water through it, because we want to get that inside rinsed out too. And sometimes a little's enough, because you already got water all the way through it. So now it's a matter of just letting the water run all the way through your sausage. You can do that several times if you want to. I like to do it twice. Then we're gonna let this sit for about a good 40 minutes to an hour. You don't have to do it that long, but that's what I go for. 20 minutes is really good enough. All right, now folks, what I have here is a 50-to-1 ratio here. And I got 3 ounces of pork fat there I'm using there. But what that 50-to-1 is, basically I got 1 pound of chicken thighs to a half a pound of chicken breast. Let's get that inside our grinder. Give it a twist. Get them under the squeeze. We're gonna tie this one off at the end. Squeeze that down up in there. Tie that off. Folks, there is our sausage. We're gonna let these sit in the refrigerator for a minute.